Stop the cuts! Stop the cuts! Stop the cuts!
Over 150 SEIU 775 Northwest home care workers, their clients, and our allies in the community, including members of AARP, ARC of Washington, and self-advocates groups, gathered at the legislative building to deliver a message to the governor of the state of Washington.
Hey, thank you so much for all of you for caring so much and being out here together to mark the devastating human impact of these budget cuts. My name is Ingrid McDonald. I'm with AARP. I know a lot of you here today are with the ARC of Washington, with the senior lobby, with SEIU, with other organizations. It's so critical that people who work in this building hear your voices and feel your pain. We just met, Sue and Walt and I just met, along with other representatives with Governor Gregoire, and we talked about the awful recession-driven budget situation we face. And we talked about the negative cumulative impact of people who will be feeling not one of these cuts, but 2 and 3 and 4 and more. People who will be seeing their home care hours reduced. Is anyone here who will see home care hours you have now reduced? Some people who will see home care completely eliminated.
These cuts are really devastating and mean the difference between health and life and vitality as people with disabilities and the elderly, and we need these services. There's not another option here for people with disabilities.
If they were to take his hours, I'm not really sure where either one of us would go because we don't have anywhere to go.
It's not just that it's going to be harder for them. People will die if their medications are taken away.
I've taken care of World War II veterans for over a decade. These people have spent decades serving their country. Why should they be forced into an institution and warehouse as a reward for their service?
These kinds of cuts they're devastating.
Cuts do hurt. Please do not cut the budget, and please do not cut the medical.
There are too many people these cuts are going to affect. And I truly am most worried, though, about the children, the siblings.
So I'm here on behalf of Quinn and also on behalf of Kelly and Galen and Brett and everybody who can't be here tonight because their families are so busy trying to keep it together.
That's not just going to affect those with developmental disabilities, but those with mental illness disabilities too.
So I just hope that when people consider the cuts, they remember the little people that they're cutting also.
If they cut us off of our funding, then I wouldn't be able to live by myself, which I have been doing for 6 years now.
Medicare and Medicaid, if they cut it out, then how can I go to the doctors? I don't think that's fair. That's unfair.
That's right.
We'll be back.